Right in the middle of Austria, where the Enns Valley and the Palten Valley meet, is the little village of Seltzthal. About 130 years ago, the little Seltzthal community was awakened from its slumber by the engine whistles from the young railway. It was the Prince Rudolf Railway, which was built to link the far-flung heartlands of the old United Habsburg monarchy with its coastal districts in the south. This was the crossing place for trains using the east-west route from Vienna to France via Switzerland, and the lines from Graz to Innsbruck, and also the north-south lines from Berlin to Trieste on the Adriatic, and finally connections from Salzburg to Villach and Graz. This place, steeped in railway history, was the site for a spectacular steam rally lasting 3 days in May 2003. People and engines from many countries in Europe arrived here to take part in what might easily be the last great railway meet. Rooms and hotels in Seltzthal and all around the little town were fully booked. Nevertheless, the railway enthusiasts came in droves. There was so much to see and hear. There was a locomotive parade on the turntable. 14 live steam locomotives posed on the gigantic catwalk. Even a late night event illuminated by flashes from camera and the night sky. An original iron ore train, hauled by 2 steam locomotives, braved the steep incline of the Gesäuse. New and exciting camera positions and even our tripod in the sky contributed pictures never seen before. Pictures from our panorama helicopter gave a third dimension to railway films. The quality and quantity of our shots are unsurpassed. Limestone cliffs are echoing the sharp beat of gigantic locomotives. Gradients are conquered, and steam and smoke arise vertically into the cloudless sky. Luckily, I was at the rally and was able to share the splendid and, I believe, unique events with you. What is more, I was able to meet many of my friends on location, as they say, while working. This was a double pleasure. I can vouch that we have missed nothing and will bring you a full measure from the second Seltzthal Steam Rally. This superlative reportage is available on VHS and DVD in English and in German.